Here we are, workstation build, day 2. Let's go. Yesterday we left off with our boxes being put back in place. In the meantime, I did some readjustment, added some things, took some things away. You know the drill. Today, grabbed the pallet tops, put them back in the position that they were originally. This was a very key step because if this wasn't done correctly, everything was going to be off. From there, I grabbed the hinges, flipped the lids over to their inverted position so that I could attach the hinges one by one. Then it was time to attach the hinges, and this part was really tedious. And next time I do this, I'm definitely going to use larger hinges because trying to work around those little tiny screws, just the juice ain't worth the squeeze. So, note to self, but it's all good. We're learning. This is all part of the process. So we went with it. Put the finishing touches on the hinges and prepared myself to re-add the boxes back into their original position. Closed the lids, did one final sanity check, re-added the boxes, of course re-added the painting, and